If you are thinking of moving to Rochester, New York, or maybe you're thinking of moving across town, well, this video is for you. Today, I am going over this home tour in the city of Rochester. We are in the neighborhood of Swillburg, and I know you're just gonna love it. This house is listed for $199, and it is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath house that is almost 1,500 square feet. So I'm gonna take you through this house because it is just adorable and the price point is fantastic. So if you're looking to move to Rochester, or maybe it's just across town, whether it's in 3 days or 3 months, give me a call, send me a text, shoot me an email, because I would love to help you find that town or lifestyle and home that is great for you. And don't forget to subscribe or hit that notification bell, because this channel brings you everything and anything related to Rochester real estate. So I go over local towns, parks, and everything to help you find a house that fits your lifestyle and budget. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's get into this house and see all the beauty that it has to offer. And stick around, because later on in the video, there is something special in this house that you could use this room for just about anything. Let's go ahead and take a look. We are here inside this 1900s old style house. And as you walk in the door, you can see you've got this gold mosaic tile. I mean, such a classic entranceway in this home. But you also have that nice little area to hang up your coat. Now, not many homes have this small little pocket door here where you can move furniture straight up the stairs. So this is super nice. But you also have this beautiful wood trim. You've got beautiful leaded glass in this house. And this living room has so much character. So this house is listed for $199. We are in the Swillburg area of Rochester. So in the city, close to University of Rochester, close to Highland Hospital. So close to many of those things that you can, if you have a job at one of those locations, great opportunity to live here in the city. Now, in this living room space, you can either go upstairs. There's a pocket door here, which has beautiful leaded stained glass, or you walk into this area, which is the living space. So hardwood floors, Montesquieu. These floors are actually Rochester red oak. So when you see these hardwood floors in Rochester, it is dug right here. And it's so nice to have them in a house, because it does give you that character that is missing in so many of the newer homes. Now, so much light in this room, but plenty of space. So beautiful bay window over on this side. Now, my feeling is there probably was a fireplace right here, but not there anymore. So missing something right there. So we do need a fireplace right there. Or maybe at Christmas time you put your Christmas tree there, right? But some leaded glass that planks both sides. And this is this spectacular living room. So excited to share it with you. Let's go ahead and move into the dining room space. So come on, we are in the dining room area now, and I wanted to be able to share with you how sweet this space is too, because look at how much space we have. I mean, this is a smaller round table that has 4 seats currently, but you could easily do a rectangular shaped table here with 6+ seating. Now, one thing that's kind of nice in this house, it does have this little pass through into the kitchen. So if you needed to do any type of passing through of drinks, of food, whatever you want, and also have that doorway there that goes into the kitchen. Now take a look behind me. Look at this window. It is spectacular and lets in so much light. This is the character that these older houses give you, and just don't get it in the newer ones. So take a look at this leaded glass, the style up here, beautiful light, nice piece of furniture, very, very simple. Now you've got your light coming down. Take a look at this. Now this is a wood burning stove. So super old, but rakes out the heat, would probably heat this whole first floor. And then in this little alcove area, that area was used as a little reading nook, but the current owners have used it as a remote workspace. It wouldn't that be cute to put a barn door across that and you can slide it over there so when you needed more privacy, if you were on a call, you can slide the door closed and that will give you a little bit more privacy in your little office space. Let's go ahead and take a look in the kitchen. So we got some bright colors in this kitchen. If you like red, because I think that red actually makes you more hungry. So we're in this beautiful red kitchen, if you love red, but think here, nice cabinetry, some space to put your pots and pans while you're washing. Over here you've got a gas stove. I'm always telling you guys to get your gas stove when you can because eventually it seems like they won't be around anymore. But some cabinetry here, you've got uppers. You could put a microwave here if you'd like. And then as we walk back to the space, you've got plenty of counter space here with a beautiful lamp that resembles the chimney style lamps. And an extra island space if you want some help with someone cutting up some vegetables and some help in the kitchen. That would be a great place for some extra helpers. But not only that, a lot of these houses, these older style houses, only have one bathroom and it's usually on the second floor. This house actually has a half bath, which is right off of this area off the kitchen. So super nice to have a half bath in this house. And I'm gonna give you a peek at it. Let's take a look. Okay, so we are going up the stairs now, and as I turn the corner, I want you to take a look at this beautiful leaded glass behind me. It's just really pretty. So we are going to go to this first bedroom, which is off to my right, and I'm gonna set you guys down there because I want to be able to share with you how cute this is. Now, smaller bedroom. It's not huge by any means, but look at how cute this is with a beautiful, huge window over here. You've got another window there, closet on the opposite side of me, and just plenty of room for a full-size bed in here and a dresser over in that corner. So super nice. Let's go ahead and take a look in the next bedroom. We're in bedroom number 2. Now this bedroom is much, much bigger. You can easily fit a king size bed in here. So right now I've got the bed situated this way. As you walk in the door, you can kind of see it all in front of you, but you can put the bed on that wall, on this wall. You could actually put it in front of the window if you'd like. Again, we've got some hardwood floors, but remember, this house is listed for $199,000. Again, we're in the Swillburg area of Rochester, which is in the city of Rochester, but cute walking area to shops, boutiques, restaurants. There is so much around this area. So this was the second bedroom. You got a closet there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the third bedroom. So we're coming into the third bedroom now, and this one is quaint as well. It's good size. I mean, another easy room to fit a king size bed. And look at all the windows behind me. It is just so bright in here. And I mean, we have a light on, but it's really super small. So I don't even have these two side lights on, but look at how cute this is. Hardwood floors, wood trim on the walls, wood doors that have not been painted. Classic style in this area of Rochester. Super cute. I just love it. It brings you back to a little bit more of the olden days, the older houses, and the character that they absolutely have. And there is something special that this house has, and I'm going to show it to you right now. It is the sleeping porch, which you could use for just about anything. So as I come into this room is probably 6 feet by 15 feet, but it is narrow and long, but super quaint to use at either a workout room. Maybe you want it to be your remote office area. You could use it as a reading nook. All of these windows, it's just this little sleeping porch area, as they used to call it. But you could put a twin size bed in here if you wanted. Now, there's no closet in here, so it would be a tiny bedroom. But if for some reason you needed to have 4 bedrooms in this house, you could definitely do it. Let me know in the comments below, what would you do with this sleeping porch area? I'm always curious to know. Give me your comments. So last room on this level is this bath. So we had 3 bedrooms that I shared with you. There was a built-in closet in the hallway, but this is the last room on this second floor level. This bath, I mean, no lights on in here, and look how bright it is. It's just fantastic. So over to my left, we've got the sink, the mirror, and then of course the shower area. Plenty of space. You could actually even put a 48-inch vanity in here if you wanted. Right now it just has a single sink, but beautiful inlaid floors. I mean, look at these colors here. So if you like bright colors, you can see this on the floor, but you can also see it in the back surround of the shower area. Everything is clean and bright. Again, remember, this house is listed for $199. Definitely doable for a lot of buyers. Let's go ahead and go back down to the main first floor. As we head downstairs onto the main level, just wanted to reiterate, if you guys are thinking of moving to Rochester, New York, or if you're looking to move to a different location in Rochester, or you know what, maybe you're relocating to Rochester from anywhere else in the United States, my name is Kristen Dells, local expert realtor here in Rochester, and I would love to help you. So please don't forget to reach out. My number is listed below. And also, if you'd like to do a Zoom call, I'm happy to chat over Zoom. But my goal is to make sure that you know what towns fit your lifestyle best. So please don't hesitate to reach out, whether it's 3 days, 3 months, or 3 years. I am here to help you find out the best town for your lifestyle. Thanks so much, and take a look at this video. It might help you decide.